In this video, we will explore the world of the largest bulldozers and heavy machinery. From giant bulldozers that can move mountains of rock to slim dump trucks capable of transporting tons of material. "300 of the largest bulldozers, heavy machinery working in harsh conditions." The Caterpillar 517 bulldozer is a powerful and versatile machine designed to excel in a variety of applications, delivering outstanding performance and versatility. Powerful torque transmission system and multiple tail and clamp bow options. The machine's multitasking capabilities are further enhanced by the integration of the pat blade, turning the 517 into a powerful multi-purpose machine. Load sensing hydraulic system reduces power consumption and system temperature. Caterpillar D9T with wing rotation capacity of 436 horsepower. With an operating weight of up to 106,000 pounds, the machine ensures stability and durability in a variety of working conditions. The Cat D9T dozer line is not only known for its reliability and versatility, but is also known as an efficient and durable choice. Strict compliance with emission standards also reflect Cat's commitment to environmental responsibility. Operate over difficult terrain in quarries or perform demanding work in the forestry and mining sectors. Next up is Liebherr's PR776, a bulldozer with an operating weight of 71,000 to 73,000 kilograms. Capacity according to ISO 9249 standard is 565 kilowatts, and according to SAE J1349 standard is 565. The vehicle complies with Stage 5 emission standards, achieving the ability to work in environments with strict environmental requirements. The vehicle's cutting blade has a capacity of 18.5 to 22 meters cubed, allowing it to operate effectively in moving and lifting large layers of soil. The moving speed of the bulldozer reaches 10.5 kilometers per hour. It helps quickly move to work positions and enhance performance during operation. And this is the IDF Caterpillar D9, possessing a strong capacity from 405 to 410 horsepower and a traction force of up to 71.6 tons of machinery. The operator and commander are protected inside an armored cabin, with the bulletproof glass windows to protect against bombs. The additional armor installed increases by about 15 tons compared to the production weight of the D9. Modified D9 bulldozers can be equipped with various features, such as crew-controlled machine guns. This one is the Cat D8R Series 2. This dozer is equipped with a powerful engine with a Model 34006E, delivering 231 kilowatts of engine power. The operating weight of the bulldozer is 37,875 kilograms, which facilitates the performance of heavy tasks with high efficiency. The bulldozer's gearbox provides 3 forward options, with speeds from 3.4 to 10.6 kilometers per hour, and 3 reverse options with speeds of 4.5 kilometers per hour. With a bucket width of 560 millimeters, 44 links on each side, a chain height of 78 millimeters, and a distance between 2 consecutive links of 216 millimeters. Caterpillar D8T, this engine demonstrates power and performance with an engine output of 354 horsepower. Designed with a piston diameter of 5.4 inches and a piston stroke of 6.75 inches, this engine has a large capacity of 928 inches cubed. Maximum engine power reaches 359 horsepower, according to the ISO 14396, making it a strong choice for applications. High compliance when meeting advanced emission standards such as the US EPA Tier 4 Final, EU Stage 4 and Korean Tier 4 demonstrate commitment to environmental protection. This is an advanced engine technology suitable for many different industries. Caterpillar D6T LGP C9 Acert bulldozer is a powerful tool with an engine with a maximum output of 200 horsepower. Operating weight of up to 48,000 pounds, allowing it to flexibly operate on a variety of terrains and in a variety of applications. With a cabin height of 3 meters, the bulldozer provides good visibility for operators, helping them manage their work effectively. Creating a bulldozer of the ideal size and weight to face many challenges in the construction and trading industries. Next is the Caterpillar D8H. The D8H can dig strongly and move large amounts of material quickly and effectively. With a large and powerful cutting blade, the D8H can accurately cut the ground and flatten the land, making the ground smooth and flat. The D8H can be equipped with many different tools, such as cutting blades, dozer blades or tilting blades, increasing versatility and multitasking in different applications. With strong capacity and operating ability, D8H is often used in large construction projects and difficult excavation work. Modern steering and control systems enhance the dozer's ease of operation and efficiency in diverse construction and excavation environments. With such features, does this Caterpillar D8H deserve to become the best machine? Caterpillar D6XE designed to reduce maintenance costs up to 12% through component updates. The integration of electric drive technology enhances performance and reduces fuel consumption by up to 35%. This is the D11N bulldozer, which features notable improvements such as larger wheels and blades and a longer 21-inch track. This increases the blade capacity up to 34 meters cubed. The weight of the D11N is 92,767 kilograms, equipped with a V-diesel engine with a capacity of 35 liters. Next is the Case 2050M, which is the optimal choice for large cutting jobs and mass rock moving. It's fully compatible with a wide range of machine control height control solutions, including the option of being equipped with workshop computer control. With 214 horsepower and more than 81,000 pounds of pushrod pull, the 2050M is a multitasking monster for any application. The unique undergrade system incorporates multi-wheel and blade configurations, along with special guards. Kits and other accessories, making the 2050M extremely versatile for any heavy-duty job. Caterpillar D6K2 XL, the bulldozer is described as weighing 13.31 tons, shipping dimensions of 4.3 meters by 2.9 meters in width and 2.9 meters in height. Equipped with a pat-type blades, this dozer offers versatility in performing a variety of jobs. With a wheel width of 560 millimeters, moving and reversing speeds both reach 10 kilometers per hour, helping the machine operate strongly and efficiently. Drawbar pull of up to 18.1 tons, making this dozer especially suitable for applications requiring great strength, such as moving soil and rock. Finally, there is the John Deere 1050K, which integrates leading technology to prevent disruptions and solve problems effectively. With advanced hydraulic features, operators can control equipment easily with minimal effort. Displacement of 13.5 litres and a rated speed of 800 RPM and net engine power of 350 horsepower. With 8 positioning wheels and a ground contact area of 41,684 centimeters squared, these dozers are designed to deliver power efficiently.
Thank you for watching all of my videos. Your interest and acceptance is the big thing that makes me want to make more videos. We always listen to your opinions. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Comment down below and we're always happy to answer. Please subscribe and comment to my channel if you like it and if you want us to convey through our next videos.